Hey guys, hi. This is Chinmay and welcome to my YouTube channel again. So today we are going to see how we can use Excel efficiently, you know, in your career, in your corporate career. Excel is the very efficient tool. Today we are going to see what are the shortcuts which will help us to save time and how we can utilize them in our day-to-day task. So without wasting further time, let's dive into it. So now we are going to see a very first shortcut. This shortcut will help you arrange your columns width and rows height. Okay, so you have to select the elements, I mean the whole sheet, and then you can put the shortcut as Alt HOW. This will help you resize your columns width. So I'll be keeping it as 15, and for rows height, we'll be using a shortcut Alt HOH. Okay, this will let us increase the rows height. So if I keep it on 20, this will be a bit larger. Then we can go for 15. This will be much readable. Okay, so this is very first shortcut.